Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today is 2012 Honda CRV, stock number 7195. It's run from the 3rd 2007 to the 10th 2012. There's a KZ421 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a KZ421 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory eliminated tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory eliminated tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory eliminated tyre, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory eliminated tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke recliner steering wheel, instrument cluster,